Hello and welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Shenseea charts in the UK on Obsessed. Her collaboration with Scottish mega producer Calvin Harris and American singer Charlie Puth entered the UK singles chart at number 71. Now this is Shenseea's first entry on the chart. Obsessed is nearing 1 million views on YouTube and over 5 million on Spotify. The song is off Harris's new album Funk Wave Bounces Volume 2. Shenseea earlier this month was excited to announce her 2 collaborations. Obsessed, of course, and Diana from Fireboy DML's newly released album Playboy. Diana also features R&B singer Chris Brown. Now, Bounty Killer is cross, hangry. He's a rebel. The dancehall godfather is reportedly suing a British publisher in the High Court of Justice in London for over 60 million Jamaican dollars. The lawsuit is to recover the monies the publisher collected on behalf of the artist in the UK from 2002 to 2021. Plus interest. Now, according to reports, the lawsuit is against Othman Mukhlis and his company Jamdown Limited and a third company owned by Mukhlis named Abood Music Limited, which the artist appointed to collect royalties on his behalf. Bounty Killer is also seeking to rescind the contract he has with Mukhlis and his companies due to the fraudulent or negligent misrepresentation made by Mukhlis pertaining to the withholding of tax. Now, Usain Bolt has been getting great reviews for his latest rhythm 958. The track legend asked fans to run it up since its release on August 1. Now, the 6-track rhythm has been getting great reviews and features Vybz Kartel on Touch the Sky, Chronic Laws on Money Fast, Top Man with Hooey, I Watts on Different, and the final 2, Quada on Levels and Aji on Undone. Check out a taste from the official mix on Usain's YouTube channel. 958 is from his A-Team lifestyle label and is available on all streaming platforms. The name comes from Bolt's 2009 100-meter world record race, where he clocked an unbeaten 9.58 seconds to this day. Bolt's previous rhythms include Olympia Rose, Usain Bolt Presents Immortal Rhythm, and Clockwork Rhythm, plus his album Country Youths. Country Youths has had the most success so far as it debuted number 1 on the US iTunes Reggae Albums chart. Now, rapper Nipsey Hussle gets his star. The Grammy-nominated rapper was honored posthumously on Monday with a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame on what would have been his 37th birthday. The ceremony saw a very touching speech from his partner actress Lauren London. Hussle was killed in 2019 outside his LA Marathon clothing store. I'm Daedran reporting for E-Prime. Thank you for watching.